Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2013, question number 24. Consider an undirected random graph of 8 vertices. The probability that there is an edge between a pair of vertices is 1 by 2. Means it may present, it may not present. What is the expected number of unordered cycles of length 3? And 4 options are given. So in 3 vertices there can be 3 edges. Suppose these are the 3 vertices. To make it cycle we need 3 edges. And there are total 8 vertices. From that 8 vertices we will choose 3. So we will use the combination 8C3. 8C3 value is 56. So number of way in which we can choose 3 vertices from 8 is 6. And in that 3 vertices there is a probability of it form a cycle is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 8. There are 3 vertices. So let we have 3 vertices A, B, C. Probability that there is a edge between A and B is half. Then there is a edge between B and C is half. Then probability of there is a edge between A and C is half. So it's 1 by 8. So expected number of unordered cycle of length 3 equals to 56 multiplied by 1 by 8. So 56 multiplied by 1 by 8, it's 7. Answer will be 7. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.